Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have Venv active and Django installed. Now begin. Open your project settings. Pi and find the databases dict. Replace default SQLite 3 if using Postgres or MySQL. Install the matching adapter with pip and import credentials securely via environment variables or env file. Once done, create a new database user and grant minimal permissions. This avoids running as superuser. Make sure your DB server is reachable from the machine running Django before moving on. Now configure the database's mapping. Set engine to Django. DB, backends, PostgreSQL or MySQL, then name, user, password, host, port, use OS, environ or DJ database URL to parse a single database URL so deployments match local. Once configured, run Python manage. Pi make migrations, then migrate. Watch for authentication or schema errors. If migrations fail, inspect traceback for missing adapter or permission denied. Make sure allowed hosts and firewall rules permit DB connections. Once migrations succeed, create a superuser to verify the app. Finish by securing credentials with environment variables and moving sensitive settings out of source control. Configure connection pooling for production and set con max age appropriately to reuse connections. Once deployed, monitor logs for operational error or timeout messages. These indicate network, auth, or adapter mismatches. If something goes wrong, first confirm adapter installation and that envars are loaded. Then test direct DB connectivity from the host. If errors persist, roll back changes, reproduce locally, and iterate until stable. Your app should then connect reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.